香港天文台發出最新嘅熱帶氣旋警告，3號強風信號現正生效。預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝5點，超強颱風摩羯集結喺香港之西南大約440公里，即係北緯19.9度、東經110.8度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速約18公里，橫過海南島，隨後移入北部灣。摩羯已經喺海南島文昌市附近登陸，並繼續遠離香港。本港風力正逐步減弱，但高地仍間中吹烈風，3號強風信號將維持一段時間。當摩羯對本港嘅威脅進一步減低時，天文台會改發1號戒備信號或強烈季候風信號。而與摩羯相關嘅雨帶，今日及聽日初時仍會影響珠江口一帶，為本港帶嚟狂風驟雨，初時雨勢有時頗大及有猛烈陣風，海有大浪及湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個小時，昂坪、橫瀾島及長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時81、55及54公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時110、70及64公里。
Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 5 p.m., Super Typhoon Yagi was estimated to be about 440 km southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 19.9 degrees north, 110.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 km per hour across Hainan Island and enter Bay Buwan afterwards. Yagi has made landfall near Wenchang, Hainan Island, and will continue to move further away from Hong Kong. Local winds are weakening gradually, but there are still occasional gale winds on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force for some time. When the threat posed by Yagi is further reduced, the observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, or the strong monsoon signal. The rain bands associated with Yagi will still affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary today and tomorrow at first, bringing squally showers to Hong Kong. Showers will be heavy at times at first, with violent gusts. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Waglan Island and Cheng Chau Beach were 81, 55, and 54 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 110, 70, and 64 km per hour respectively.